In this video, you'll learn how to make a refreshing and nutritious ABC juice made from just 3 powerful ingredients: apple, beetroot, and carrot. This juice is naturally sweet, loaded with antioxidants and perfect for post-workout recovery, daily detox, or simply boosting your energy levels. And the best part, we'll also use the leftover juice pulp to make fiber-rich ice cubes, a brilliant way to cut waste and boost your drinks with extra nutrients. Let's start by gathering our fresh ingredients. 1 apple and hydration hero. Over 80% water and packed with fiber, apples keep you hydrated and aid digestion. 1 beetroot. The heart of our juice, beetroot, helps improve stamina and purifies the blood. 1 or 2 carrots, low in calories, high in goodness. Carrots support eye health or weight management. A small piece of ginger. Just a little zing ginger boosts immunity and soothes the gut. Now let's prep. First, peel and chop the carrots into small pieces. This root veggie is a nutritional powerhouse. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for sharp vision, glowing skin, and a strong immune system. Just 1 medium carrot can give you more than 200% of your daily vitamin A needs. Next, peel the beetroot and chop it too. Let's take a moment to appreciate this deep red beauty, the beetroot. Beetroot is one of the only vegetables that can turn your hands and chopping board in pink. Yep, that's because of a natural pigment called betalain, which also happens to be a powerful antioxidant. Beetroot was once used as a natural hair dye and even a lip stain in ancient times. Now chop the apple and remove the seeds. Bonus tip, keep the skin on. That's where most of the antioxidants and fiber live. Now that everything is prepped, it's time to blend. Add all the ingredients into a blender. For extra freshness, toss in a handful of mint leaves and a piece of ginger. Add about ½ a cup of water to help it blend smoothly. Blend until everything turns into a rich, colorful juice. Now strain the juice using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. You'll notice a thick pulp left behind. Don't throw this away, we're going to use it soon. Squeeze in the juice of ½ a lemon to enhance the flavor and to help with nutrient absorption. And there you go. Your power-packed ABC juice is ready. This is an excellent post-workout drink. Whether it's after yoga, walking, or a home workout, this juice helps restore energy and replenish nutrients. It's also kid-friendly and loved by adults alike. Important tip: avoid adding salt or sugar. They strip away the natural nutrition. And for those with diabetes, please avoid this juice or consult your doctor before drinking. Now here's a mindful sipping tip. Don't gulp the whole glass down in one go. Instead, swish each sip in your mouth for 5 seconds. This allows it to mix with saliva, helping with smoother digestion. When we gulp it all at once, our body absorbs much less from it. Now let's use the leftover juice pulp to make nutritious ice cubes. The pulp is full of fiber and you can get creative with it. Turn it into veggie burgers, falafel, crackers, cookies, or in our case, ice cubes. Transfer beetroot pulp again in blender and add ½ cup water and blend it again. Transfer into ice tray. Press down gently to pack it and freeze for a few hours. These fiber cubes can be added to water smoothies or mocktails for an extra boost of nutrients. You can store the pulp in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 to 6 days before using it. My daughter prefers the strained version of the juice, smooth and easy to drink. So I strain it and save the pulp for later. So that's it. a delicious ABC juice made with just 4 ingredients and 0 waste, thanks to our clever ice cubes. Try this beetroot juice recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs a natural energy boost today.